Are you looking to streamline your appointment bookings right from your Instagram profile? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add Square booking to your Instagram in just few easy steps. Let's dive right in. Instagram is the fastest growing social network, making it an ideal platform to reach new customers. With over 70% appointments booked through Square being with new clients, adding a book feature can significantly boost your business visibility and accessibility. Set up your business profile. Open the Instagram app and navigate to settings. Select switch to business profile and fill out your business information. Ensure your Square Appointments online booking site is active. If you don't have it yet, sign up for a free account on Square. Go to your Instagram business profile and tap Edit Profile. Under Business Information, select Contact Options. Tap Add an Action and select Appointment by Square. Enter your Square Appointments URL, which you can find in Square dashboard. After saving the changes, refresh your profile page. You should now see a Book Now button that allows customers to book appointments directly from Instagram. Adding Square booking to your Instagram profile not only enhances customer engagement but also simplifies the booking process for both you and your clients. With this feature, you can manage appointments 24/7 without any hassle, so why wait? Start setting up today and watch your booking soar. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tech tips.